Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Now I will describe the conversion of numbers from decimal to binary and binary to decimal system, both long and shortcut. When we speak that 25 kg rice costs 785 rupees. 25 kg and 785 rupees. This 25 and 785 are numbers in decimal system. Decimal system means the base of the number be 10 and each digit in any number is less than 10. That is either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. Here we see that how the structure of 785 is in the decimal system. 785 means 5 is in unit place, 8 in tens place and 7 in hundreds place. So we write 7 multiply hundreds place means 10 square plus 8 is in tens place means 10 to the power 1 plus 5 multiply 5 is in unit place means 10 to the power 0, that is 1. We may also write this as here unit, tens, hundreds, and in this way we write the places. Here 7 is in hundreds place, 8 in tens place and 5 is in unit place. We multiply this 7 multiply 100 plus we multiply 8 by 10 and then add 5 multiply 1 and this is 700 plus 80 plus 5 equal to 785. This is the concept behind the construction of a number in decimal system. Here we may follow a process by which 785 is constructed. Since 785 is a number in decimal system, we divide this number by 10. Decimal system means base 10. If we divide 785 by 10, here we get 78, here 780, remainder 5 and quotient 78. We write here quotient 78 and remainder 5 here. Again we divide this number 78 by 10. We get quotient 7, 10 sevens are 70 and remainder is 8. Again we divide this 7 by 10. We get quotient 0 and remainder 7. So we get this 785. We write the number from below 785. 785 number in decimal system. Now we speak about numbers in binary system, similar to decimal system. In binary system, base is 2 and digits used to construct the number be 0 and 1, less than 2. Let we have a number 125 in decimal system. We convert this 125 in decimal system to a number in binary system. So we follow this process. 125. Here we have divided by 10, since in decimal system base is 10, here base is 2. If we divide 125 by 2, we get here 62, here 124, remainder 1. So quotient is 62. We write here 62 and remainder is 1. Again we divide this 62 by 2. We get quotient 31 and remainder is 0. 2 multiply 31 is 62. Now again we divide this 31 by 2. We get quotient 15 and remainder is 1. 15 2s are 30, remainder 1. Again we divide 15 by 2. We get quotient 7 2s are 14, remainder 1. Again we divide this 2. We get quotient 3 2s are 6, remainder 1. Again we divide 3 by 2. We get quotient 1, 2 1s are 2, remainder 1. Again we divide 1 by 2, quotient 0 and remainder 1. So the number in binary system will be 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. This is in binary system. If we check this, whether this equal to 125 in decimal system or not, we see that here in the first place, similar to here, 10 to the power 0, that is 1. Then 10 to the power 1, 10. Here 10 to the power 2, that is 100. Similar to this, we get here 1 multiply 2 to the power 0 plus 0 multiply 2 to the power 1 plus 1 multiply 2 to the power 2 plus 1 multiply 2 to the power 3 plus 1 multiply 2 to the power 4 plus 1 multiply 2 to the power 5 plus 1 multiply 2 to the power 6. Here 1, here 0 and here 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 to the power 6 is 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. This is 125. Therefore, this number in binary system is equal to 125. Now, we have learned that how the numbers in decimal system is constructed and how the numbers in binary system is constructed. Now, we will try to find a shortcut method by which a number in decimal system may be converted in binary system easily in a few moments, and a number in binary system may be converted in decimal system in a few seconds. Now, shortcut method. Here we have a number 125 in decimal system. We have to convert this number in binary system. Since in decimal system we write 1, 10, 100, 1000 multiply of 10 and we multiply the corresponding columns and then add. Similarly, here we write 1 in binary system. Here 1 means 2 to the power 0, 1, 2 to the power 1, 2, 2 to the power 2, 4, then 2 to the power 3, 8, 2 to the power 4, 16, 2 to the power 5, 32, 2 to the power 6, 64, 2 to the power 7, 128. Now we see that here number is 125. Here we have 128. So we will not take this 128. We start from this next number 64. Here 64 plus 32, 96 plus 16, 112 plus 8, 120 plus 4, 124 and here 125 plus 1, 125. So we write 1 where we have given this dash 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and in rest place 0. So this is the number in binary system. This is number 1. Number 2, 47 in decimal system. So we start here writing 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Here number is 47. So here 64 is more than 47. So we start from 32. 32 plus 16, 48. So we will not take this. 32 plus 8, 40. 40 plus 4, 44 plus 2, 46 plus 1, 47. So we write here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Rest place 0. So this is the number in binary system. 47 in decimal system is this number in binary system. Number 3. Let we have number 23 in decimal system. We have to write this number in binary system. Firstly we write here 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. This 32 is more than 23. So we start from 16. 16 plus 8, 24, which is more than 23. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 2, 22 plus 1, 23. So here we write 1, 1, 1, 1, rest place 0. This is the number in binary system for 23 in decimal system. Number 4, let we have number 27 in decimal system. We have to construct this in binary system. So we write here 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 32 is more than 27. So we start from this 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 4, 28, which is more than 27. So here 24 plus 2, 26 plus 1, 27. So number will be 1, 1, 1, 1, rest plus 0. So this is number in binary system. Number 5. Let we have a number 1, 0, 0, 1 in binary system. We have to construct this in decimal system. Here we have 4 digits. So we write here 1, 2, 4, 8, 4 digits. And in fourth place here 1. So we give here bar. Fourth place 1. In first place 1. In first place we give bar. And so we write here 1, here 1, rest place 0. Now we take that. Here we have bar in 8 and bar in 1. So number will be 8 plus 1. That is 9. So the number in decimal system will be 9. Number 6. Let we have a binary number 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 in binary system. We have to construct this in decimal system. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write here 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 5 places. Here in fifth place 1. So we write here bar. In fourth place we write bar, here 1. In first place here 1. So we write bar. Here 0. So we will not give bar. So this 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. We add these numbers in which bar has been given. 16 plus 8 plus 1. 16 plus 8 is 24 plus 1, 25. So the number in decimal system is 25. So in this way we may convert any decimal number to a binary number and any binary number into decimal number very easily, very quickly. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.